Lavert Moore, and this is my Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today we're going to be creating the rainbow fish in the middle of the screen. Now that you've got a glimpse of what we're going to create, let's put this away and let's begin. First, to start off, you will want to go to here. This will bring you to the tab where the tools are to give the body of the shape of the fish we're creating. We're creating with the rectangular tool here. Now, when you create the square, add the shift key and it will make a perfect square. And you will see that I have the gradient color added so it could add a solid color to it. That's fine. But if you want to do it just by outline or none, it's fine. But next, we shall go to object, then we're going to go to path so we can actually split it into a grid formation. We're going to split it into 3 by 3. 3 rows, 3 columns, which should equal 9 total. And like I said before, the size of the square does not matter. As long as you follow these steps, you will be fine. Next, you go back to the elliptical tool and you create 2 circles in differentiated corners of the grid. Now, you're wondering why draw these on top of them? Why draw these on top of the squares? You're about to find out in a few short moments. Given the way that it is, you actually go here. First, highlight. First, go here and select one of the circles and then go to divide objects below. This will separate, or should I say merge, the circle into the grid of where it is. The first one. The same applies for the second one. This is a good process, a little bit easier this way, so nothing actually gets in the way for what we're about to do next. Because now everything is individually shaped. So if you, for example, wanted to take one piece out, that's what you're going to see. It's all separated. Yep. And now this is where the interesting part comes in. First, you're going to rotate it now. 45 degrees. Well, it actually, sometimes you don't have to split it 45 degrees. You can just rotate it. What you want is to make it look like it has an all-seeing eye right in front of you. Now that we have what we need, next we're going to get rid of the middle circle. Now we're just going to move this over just a tad bit. Now it's centered. Now you'll see that it actually looks a bit better. You're starting to see our shape now. Now we're going to start to separate a few pieces from this. First things let's go back one more. Sometimes, yeah, that's right. Next, of course, we're going to start editing a few shapes out. First, we're actually going to delete this corner, and let's see. We're actually going to go to transform, and we're going to reflect it. Just a full 90 degrees. With that being said, it should be able to reflect just like so. But what you want is to make it look like this. Just try and make it look as professional and as even as possible, so it looks like an actual fin. Sometimes that can be a little bit troublesome, but that's just the way it works. And sometimes, if you want, you can actually change the size so it actually looks a little bit even. I'm going to bring this in just a bit. Yeah, it looks a bit awesome. Yeah, just like that. I'll leave that there for now. But as you can see, now that we have what we need, we're also going to try a little bit of something else too. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, next of course, we actually add a few extra fins. This one, of course, for these are actually going to be reversed right here. Sorry if my voice starts cutting out every now and then, or I don't speak for a while. It's because I'm trying to actually make sure that this all comes out the way it should. So you can actually get the picture. Okay. Next, of course, and then make sure to make a few copies of the corner fin. So control for Command C and then Command V to bring in the new stuff. You'll start to notice that we'll start to add more fins to the creation, which is really good. That way you can actually get more and more of the look at it. I think we just need like one more. And this one goes down here. Yep, that seems about right. Oh yeah, which reminds me, I need to make another one, because this one needs to fill in for this spot right here. Make a twist right here. Right. Yep. And let's see right there. All right. And there you have it. Now, it may not look a little bit even, but this is the general concept of the fish. Sometimes some fins don't actually look like they go with each other. Yep, that seems about right. Now, it's time for our next thing, and that's just to add this fin right here. I know the process may be a little bit challenging, but it's all about trying to make sure it just looks just good in the end. All right. All right. All right. And there you have it. Now we actually have the general outline of our fish. Now it's time for the good part. We get to add in some color. Adding some color is just the way it is. You can put in your own variation of colors, but for me, I'm just gonna put in a few colors of what I think is gonna make it look cool, just the way it is. A rainbow fish. All right. Once you start getting the colors, you can manually change the colors over here, or you can come to the color bar right here and just change it on your own, like so. And all in all, this is all just about design, all about having fun. You get to just fill in the colors as you go. Yeah, yeah, that tends to be a little bit troublesome. But if you go here and then go to a bit of bright orange, and there you go. Quite a few spots have the same color, but if you want to mix and match, that's your thing. Can't be too shy about yellow. Yep. Hmm. Now, how did that happen? Oh, it was in the black, that's why. There's no need to follow the original color wheel. You can actually just put in your very own combination of well, you know, colors. The only idea is just to have fun with it. And the best part is, it varies. Like, bring in your own color of colors. And you can actually mix and match your own favorite fish if you want. But the only main structure about it is just to make sure that it comes out the fish outline in general. And here you go for the color purple for the front. And then this is purple. And then we're going to go even further. Let's see, just about, yeah, just about there. Sometimes some of these set colors are already have their set colors, but yeah, that's just the way it is. There you have it. To make it easier, just click on the blank one, click on the color you intend to select next, and then go back to the discolored picture that you're going to make it easier to not bounce back and forth from pictures. And then I'm just going to click my early correction right there, and there you have it. There's your picture of a tutorial fish. Now, like I said before, the picture is there. It's all the color is all your design. It does not actually have to be the exact same thing. I mean, here's the earlier concept, and here's the bigger difference. Of course, it's a slight difference, but the concept is still the same, and all is well. Most of the outlines is there. I just missed one little point, and that's right here. But you seem to have the idea of what the fish is, and with that being said, happy tutorial. Happy fish building. Bye.